That, not Gel X. That is not Gel X. That's not Gel X. Oh, dang, that's Gel X. So a little while ago I came across this video showing a Gel X application using some kits from Amazon. I left a little comment explaining that what she was doing wasn't Gel X nails, but in fact a full cover gel tip application. The difference being Gel X is a line from ACRYIC and she was using an Amazon kit. And I got this comment back of a person thanking me for explaining what the difference was and expressing how they were confused when they see these short form Gel X videos, but they're not actually using any Gel X products. So today we're going to be talking about what Gel X actually is, why what they're doing in their videos isn't Gel X, and why does it matter? So as I already sort of stated, Gel X is a line of product. It comes from the brand ACRYIC. Gel X from ACRYIC includes full cover gel tips in all different sizes and shapes and all that good stuff, and a builder in a bottle gel line to adhere the full cover gel tips to your nails. That is exactly what Gel X is. It is that line of product from ACRYIC. These creators in these videos that are saying they're doing Gel X nails aren't using Gel X. They are clearly using other brands. One of the most popular ones right now seems to be Beetle from Amazon, but you can get kits and products like this from many different brands. So if what they're doing isn't Gel X, then what do we call it? Simply, it's full cover gel tips. That's it. That is a style of product that you apply in a specific way. It does not belong to one specific brand. It's just a style of product that's applied in a, certain way. It's different than, say, a hard gel. It's different than an acrylic. It's different than just doing a gel overlay. It's different than sculpting nails or using plastic tips. It's just a different style of product and a different application method. ACRYIC does not own that application method. Other than ACRYIC, you have tons of other brands that have done something like this as well. The Painted Desert comes to mind. Ugly Duckling has a line. Fusion has a line. There are different kits on Amazon. Gelish has a line. I even believe Kiss at like Walmart has a line like this. And none of those are Gel X. They are full cover gel tips from that brand. They are a line of products from a specific brand. And I realize, like, in the grand scheme of things, this doesn't really matter. It's just nail products. I know that people are gonna comment
like, why do you care? What does it matter? It's just nail products. You're making a big deal out about this.
Maybe I am making a big deal about this, but they have names. Use them properly. I do believe that ACRYIC was the first brand to sort of release this kind of product with their Gel X line, so it does kind of make sense that people will just like attach themselves to that name because it's the first one that they heard, so now that's just like what that is. I guess like Kleenex? Shellac? Why does it happen so much with nails? I'm just wondering. I get it. It's not a huge big thing, but it creates a little bit of confusion. So if you're a content creator and you're using incorrect terms or different brand names saying that it's something else, that gets super confusing for your viewers, especially viewers who are trying to maybe educate themselves, get a little bit more knowledge on the topic, learn something. Then it becomes really difficult. Because not only as the viewer, now you're getting different forms of information, you have to like cross-check it, fact-check it, figure out who's correct, who's not correct. The internet is already confusing enough as it is. All I'm asking is just like, know what you're talking about. Use the brand names properly. Use the terminology a little bit better. You're posting nail content, you should have a little bit of knowledge about what you're posting, no? No one's saying you need to be an expert, and we're all still learning. But if you're gonna be posting a tutorial on the internet about something specific, you should at least know what brands you're using and the terminology in order to properly explain that to your viewers. Maybe I am making a big deal about nothing, I don't know. But like, you don't call every candy bar a Kit Kat. You're not just like, whoa, gotta get me a Kit Kat, and you're talking about like an O. Henry or something. You don't call every mascara Better Than Sex because the first mascara you ever used happened to be one called Better Than Sex, which, side note, is a weird name for mascara. But that's not the point.
I don't understand.
Full cover gel tips. Applied with a soak-off gel, a soft gel. That's what they are. Boy, my hair is so flat today. Anyway, that was my little rant about Gel X and full cover gel tips and TikTok creators not knowing what they're talking about. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and leave a comment down below. Am I overreacting, or is this like, are you just as pissed off as I am? Let me know. I need to feel reassured. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!